I'm going to show you my plate front raise. First, hold a plate like this in front of your thighs, and then raise the plate to about eye level. Then slowly return along the same path to the start position. And target muscle is your front delt. Okay, I'm going to show you how from there. Check this out. How do you like it? First, you are holding a bottom plate like as if you are holding a steering wheel in front of the thighs. And bend your elbows slightly bent throughout the exercise. And control on the negative movement and explode on the positive movement. And squeeze your front delt. Try to squeeze the front delt on the top position, and then slowly return along the same path to the start position. I can see some people doing the exercise like this, really roughly at the gym. It's not good. But we can see the same thing to the back extension. So here we have back extension machine bench right behind me. Now I'll show you how that example. For example, it's so good. Because you don't concentrate on the exercise. So this means you can target your muscle, and especially try to be conscious on the exercise like this, and squeeze your hamstrings, glutes, and lowers at the top position, and then slowly return to the start position. Sorry, I just wanted to add just example to this exercise, because this back extension and plate front raise, so it looks like really similar, so it looks like really easy exercise, but especially in the easy exercise, so we have to more conscious on the exercise, otherwise we can't hit the target muscle very well. So front raise, be conscious on the target muscle, your front delt, and raise the hand to your eye level, and try to squeeze your front delt at the top position, and then slowly return along the same path to start position. This is a useful tip during the exercise. Thank you for watching and see you next time.